Namaskar and hello everyone. After a long gap, I'm trying to make a video and I'm trying to send a message along with that video and hope everyone will, all of you will like it and mind it. Uh, I'm going to do a certain playful activity in which there is a very strong hidden message and only those smart people can gather it who are just now experiencing it or going to experience it and वैसे भी in daily life we experience it. So without wasting time, I'm going to share a nice playful technique with a very strong message. Okay, now this is everyone aware, मोह माया 500 रुपये का नोट और मैंने इसे फेंक दिया. ठीक है, सिंपल. 100 रुपीज़ फेंक दिया. 20 रुपीज़ फेंक दिया. 10 रुपीज़ फेंक दिया. कोई आवाज़ आई? थोड़ी बहुत आई होगी. ठीक है, नाउ इसको चलाओ. यूज़ इट. टाइम टू यूज़ इट. 10 रुपीज़ कॉइन. काफ़ी आवाज़ है. 5 रुपीज़ कॉइन. बुलंद आवाज़. 2 रुपीज़ कॉइन. ठप. एक बारी बजा बस. 1 रुपी कॉइन. हिला और चुप. आवाज़ हुई. Now try to think, try to analyze what I want to say. You can write it, your smart thoughts in the comment box. You can message me individually, but there's a strong message. ठीक है, hope my this playful activity is clear with every one of you. Enjoy your day, enjoy your life, and that's what you are here for on this earth. Enjoy every minutes, every seconds, every moments. Bye bye.